Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, it's been a long time coming, but it's here, and we are going to unbox our Tribe Beauty box. For those of you who are not familiar with Tribe Beauty boxes, you need to jump on the bandwagon, but I will leave all the information down below so that if you would like to find out a little bit more and or subscribe, go ahead and hit the link down below. And while you're there, there is also a coupon code to help you get some coins off. Actually, it's some foldable money, okay, off on your first box, okay? So let's just jump in and see what's in this long-awaited box. Okay, so when we open it up, the very first thing we have is our description card, and it looks like this. It has a list of all the items and the prices, and it says, "Hello, beautiful. Here is what's in your Tribe Beauty box." So we're gonna jump right in, okay? Now, the first item that we have is by Gerard Cosmetics, and it looks like this right here. And it says this is the Starlit Face Palette. And it says this face palette comprises 3 of Gerard Cosmetics' most famous shadows. Lucy, a warm rose gold highlight, perfect for cheeks. Maryland, a true gold that applies amazingly anywhere on the face, collarbones, and even legs. And also Grace, a gorgeous champagne gold, perfect for the cheekbones, tip of the nose, and Cupid's bow. Use them as eyeshadows, as a blush topper, or for an intense cheekbone glow. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $39, okay? Now, let's just open it up and see. Okay, I can get with this. Now, the palette does have a mirror inside, so let's just, I'm going to turn it upside down so that you can see the shades. Okay, now these are the shades. It's a little difficult to see just the right, okay, how about like that? Okay, right here is Lucy, in the middle is Marilyn, and this one is Grace. Would you like a swatch? Wow. Okay, now they are here. They are beautiful. The only challenge I have right now is they're just a little powdery, but it could be, you know, just the top layer, you know. So, but these are what the shades look like. This right here would really be very nice and subtle, you know, as an eyeshadow, or even, how about that? I like. Okay, so that is item number 1. Then the next item that we have is by the company CoCo, and it's this one right here. And this is another tinted brow gel, okay? And it says, with a nano brush and botanically enriched formula, this eyebrow gel effortlessly defines for a natural finish. Infused with keratin, ginkgo biloba and proteins. This universal tinted formula visually improves the appearance of the eyebrows. Gotta have an eyebrow gel every time I do my brows, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price of this one is $12. So it's not priced very bad at all. It is a 4 milliliter or 0.13 fluid ounces, okay? And well, on the back it says razor brow, okay? Remove excess from wand before applying to brows in short upward strokes. Using the brush, allow time to dry and set, okay? I love brow gels, I do. Regardless of which method I'm using, whether it's a pomade, a powder, or, you know, a pencil, gel, it doesn't matter. I am here for a brow gel. And this one also, okay, I'm not gonna open this one because it says it has a 6-month shelf life. So, you know, I'm here for it, okay? So, this one is item number 2. Then moving right along, the next item that we have is also by CoCo, and it's this one right here. And it's the Black Magic CoCo Liquid Liner. And it says this is the perfect brow liquid liner for anyone who wants to add a subtle and natural definition to their eyes. This warm brown liquid eyeliner glides onto the lids to create the perfect cat eye, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is also $12, okay? And this one has a 6-month shelf life as well. It's a 0.01 fluid ounce size. And it says it's easy to apply, and it has a precision brush, and the shade I have is warm brown. Now, I don't know if you can see that very well, but the shade around the top here is the brown that it says we have, okay? So this one is item number 3. Alrighty, moving right along. The next one that we have is by Karmaco, and it's this one right here. And it says this is an overnight lip mask. And it says this overnight lip mask is a leave-on intense hydrating lip mask that moisturizes for visibly smoother, supple looking lips. Leave on overnight for maximum effect or apply throughout the day. Thoroughly throughout the day, it says. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $24. Okay. This one is a 0.52 ounce size. And it says it's in the scent vanilla. I'm very interested to look at this jar that's here. All right, and this is what it looks like, very minimal. Now, it does not tell me a shelf life, but I want to open it because this is the first time that I've ever heard them describe a mask as an overnight or throughout the day. Okay, it does have, wow. Yes, it's very vanilla. Okay, it does not do me any good to swatch it right now because I do have a lip product on right now. So we will definitely be trying this out. You know, we have that coming up. Okay, and then the next item, we actually received 6 items this month. The next item that we have is this one right here. This is by SUVA Beauty, and this is the UV Primaries Hydra FX palette. Whew. All right, and it has 5 shades, and it says it includes Silva Beauty signature fine liner brush and all the colors for unlimited color creations. Okay. It says white is the matte, black is also matte, red is UV, yellow is UV, and blue is UV. Wow. It says this compact full scope kit makes creating bold and daring looks easy and convenient. Use the colors individually or mix them together for effortless effects. Okay. Now the manufacturer suggested retail price is $32. Okay. Let's check this out. All right. Oh, I like this one. Has a 24-month shelf life. And we're definitely going to open this up so we can see what's what. This is the inner packaging. Now, there's no mistaking what the colors are. Okay, it does have a mirror, so let me just cover the mirror. This is what the shades look like. Here's the brush. Very, very thin. Very thin brush, okay? Now, I can see us creating some looks there. This blue and yellow would make a beautiful green. We could use the red and the blue to create a nice rich purple or maroon. This white is going to make everything you use pop. I'm just saying. Oh, I am excited for our next try on for this. Okay, so that one is item number 4. I'm sorry, that one is item number 5. Okay, so we have one more left. Oh, okay. The last item that we have is by Olivia, and it's the microfiber hair towel wrap. And it says soft microfiber hair towel wrap will provide comfort during your post-shower routine and is gentle on your scalp and hair. It says you place over your head, wrap hair with the microfiber towel, twist the towel with hair inside, and loop over the button. Okay, now I have one that I currently use, which is exactly what I do. Okay, but this is what it actually looks like. Okay, and if you notice, it goes from larger to smaller. This is the part that fits on your head. There is a button right here, and here is the loop, all right? And once you put it on your head, twist here, bring it around the back and connect the button, okay? Then it's out of the way yet drying, okay? So I do like that, and that is the last item that we have in this month's box. Oh, okay, see, here are the instructions on exactly how to get that microfiber towel wrapped around your head so that you can get the most benefits out of it, okay? So, let's talk about this box. I'm loving it, okay? We'll talk about it during the try-on review and first impressions, if it was really worth it. I'm telling you, based on what I'm looking at, I really believe that it will be, and that it is. I'm very excited to try this, though. I really am, so we can see what we can create. And I like the fact that it has such a long shelf life. 24 months is a long shelf life in makeup land. Okay, so wonderful, wonderful. I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our, what is this, February-March Tribe Beauty box. And these are the contents of this box. Down below, you will see the total manufacturer's retail price for everything that was included, okay? Well, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.